This is the elevator at Todd Johnston Homes, 3859 Bee Ridge Road in Sarasota, Florida. It's a general. Let's go to 2, which has an up button. Here's a cab view. Just your basic wooden cab that you see on a lot of general elevators. Let's go for one more ride. Door close button, I do not think works. Indicator's completely burned out. There's your printed inspection certificate. This must be recent because it says right here, exempt from fire keep requirements, May of 2025. So only 6 months ago to the day. Today's November 10th. So there it goes. And that'll be it.